Morning, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. So for today's phonics lesson, we're going to learn the last letter in letter group 4. The letter that we are going to learn is a vowel. So far, we have learned the vowels A, E, and O. Today, the vowel that we are going to learn is the vowel U. The name of the vowel is U. Say the name of the vowel. Just like the other vowels that we've learned so far, the vowel U has more than one sound, but we're only going to study one of those sounds today. The sound of the vowel is as in the word up. Up is the key word for the vowel U. So say the sound of U. The sound of U is Repeat after me. The name of the letter is U. The sound of the letter is Great job. Now let's repeat the name and sound of the letter U. U, 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 Great job. Now we're going to practice writing the letter U on our shiny sheet. Now watch how Miss Kane writes the letter U in uppercase first. We start at the top, bring it down, and loop it right back up. And you have the letter U. Practice writing the uppercase U on your shiny sheet 5 times, and each time that you write it, say the name and the sound of the letter. Now, after doing the uppercase letter, we're going to practice with the lowercase. Now, watch carefully because it looks similar to the uppercase, but there's one more thing that we're going to add, so watch carefully. So I'm going to start it the same way I start the uppercase, loop it up, except once I get back up to the top, I'm going to bring it down and add a little tail. And that's how you write the lowercase U. I want you to practice writing the lowercase U on your shiny sheet 5 times. And each time that you write it, you guessed it, I want you to say the name and sound of the letter U as you're writing on your board. So now that we've learned the letter U, I'm going to show you some of our slides that use the letter U. I have the slide. All of these slides. First, before we start looking at these slides, I want you to tell me the sound of the letter U. The sound of the letter U is Great job. So let's look at all of our slides. Say the name of each of these slides with Miss Kane. B, D, F, G, H, M, N, R, S, and T. Now, Miss Kane is going to erase every slide except for the BU slide. Let's look at that BU slide one more time. One more time. And I'm going to write it a little bit bigger so that we can really see it and focus on it. So we have the BU slide. What is the sound of the BU slide? The sound of the BU slide is B, B. Now I'm going to add the letter G to the end of the BU slide. I want you to write this on your shiny sheet. Now, I've added a letter to the end of a slide, which means that it's no longer just a slide, it's now a word. Good, so I need to erase my slide arrow, and I'm going to mark my vowel. Now, the vowel in this word is U. So I'm going to mark the letter U with an X because this is our vowel. Let's look at this word together. What is the beginning sound in this word? The beginning sound is B, B. What is the vowel sound? The vowel sound is What is the ending sound? The ending sound is G, G. When I put all of these sounds together, I have the word bug, bug. I want you to practice using the word bug in a sentence with your parents or your siblings that are around you. I'm going to give you an example sentence too. She got bit by a bug. Bug. A bug is a type of insect, like ladybugs. Now that we've practiced writing the letter U and we've learned the vowel U for letter group 4, we have learned all letters in letter group 4. And now we're going to get practice with writing the letters we've learned, some of the slides that we've learned, and we're going to build some words using the slides that we've learned in letter group 4. So take out your shiny sheet and your marker and get ready to practice. I want you to first write the letter that says T. Write the letter that says T. T. Now I want you to write the uppercase T. Uppercase T. Now write lowercase t. Lowercase t. Now I want you to write the TA slide. The TA slide. Don't forget to mark your slide with a slide arrow. Now we're going to add a letter to the end of the TA slide. We're going to add the letter B. B. Now that I've added a word or a letter to the end of this, it's a word now. So I need to erase my slide arrow and mark my vowel A with an X. I have the word tab. 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 Erase that, and now we're going to write the letter that has the sound V. V. Now write the lowercase v. Now write uppercase V. Uppercase V. Now write the two-letter slide that says VA. VA. Don't forget to mark your slide with a slide arrow. And we're going to add the letter T. T. Remember, when we add a letter to the end of a slide, it's no longer just a slide, it becomes a word. And I need to erase my slide arrow and mark my vowel with an X. That. That. Now I want you to write the letter that has the sound W. W. Now write the lowercase w. The lowercase w. Now write uppercase W. Uppercase W. Great. Now write the two-letter slide WE. 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 Now add the letter that says B. B to the end of this slide, and we're going to build a word. Web. Web. Now write the letter that has the sound Y. Y. Now write the lowercase y. And the uppercase Y. Now write the two-letter slide that says yeah. Yeah. Check yourself. Now add the letter that says S. S. Remember, when you add a letter to the end of a slide, it's now a word. So I need to mark my vowel after erasing my slide arrow, and I have the word yes. Yes. Two more letters to practice writing and practice building those words. I want you to write the letter that has the sound X. X. Now write the lowercase x. Then the uppercase X. The uppercase X. It looks a lot like the lowercase. It's just a little bit bigger. Now I want you to write the word box. 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 And don't forget to mark your vowel. I'm going to hold it up so you can check yourself. Box. Box. Now I want you to write the letter that has the sound Write the lowercase u. Yourself. Now write the uppercase U. Uppercase U. Okay. Now I want you to write the two-letter slide H. 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 Check yourself. Make sure you've marked your slide with a slide arrow. And now we're going to add the letter that says G. G to the end of this slide. And now our word should be hug. 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 Great job. So now you've gotten extra practice with writing the letters that we have learned in letter group 4 and writing words using the slides that we have learned. And now that we have done our phonics lesson for today, I want you to sign on, and since it's Wednesday, if you can and are able to, sign on to Clever and go to iReady. And if that does not work, if you don't have an iPad or you don't have a device that will work with iReady, then you can get on Reading Horizons Discovery. And don't forget to look above this video to see which voice recording you need to submit for today's phonics lesson. Have a great Wednesday, and make sure that you are working super hard like I know that you are.